everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my dining room. It's just a gorgeous sunny spring day and I thought I'd come to you live from this location instead of my office to share something special, which is the March Joyful Jordan box. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my dining room. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today for another Joyful Jordan unboxing video. And you might hear the wind chime going and the wind rustling in the trees because I have some of the windows open and it's just a beautiful spring day, which we are thoroughly enjoying. My daughter will be off school soon, so I'm trying to share this with you quickly before I have to shift into mom gear. But I was so excited when I got the March Joyful Jordan box that I really wanted to hop on and share it with you right away. So as a Jordan Essentials consultant, there's a fun program we have every month called Green by 15. And if we reach the goal of 500 in sales by the 15th of the month, then we get a sneak peek. We get to order the next month's Joyful Jordan box early. So it's always exciting and it's always a goal of mine to try and get the next month's Joyful Jordan box early. And as a consultant, we get this special Green by 15 box for just $5. Normally these Joyful Jordan boxes are $29 plus shipping, or if you sign up for a subscription, then there's free shipping. So at $5, it's a really good deal. Plus I get to get it early and share it with you, which is exciting. So without further ado, we're gonna take a look at the March Joyful Jordan box for 2024. And this box is a really special one. They're always a good one, a little box of awesomeness. It's a cute little packaging here. It says open a little joy on the side. And each box is gonna come with a card. So this month the box says, keep calm and repeat after me. I am amazing. So you can see the card there, and then on the back it's going to tell us all about the products that are in the box as well as how to use them. So if you are gifting this box, it's great because the recipient's going to know right what everything is and how to use it. So this box this month, I kind of covered everything up with our biodegradable packing peanuts that come in the box. First, we're going to start out with something fun and easy, which is in our regular catalog. I gotta set the box down to get this one out. So we have our Bright Eye CPR collagen eye gels. So these are really fun. You can put those under your eye and use those just as a little home spa treatment. I love to use these in the morning when I'm drinking my coffee and just give myself a little bit of a pamper treat. So that's a fun one, something special to treat our eyes with. Then we're gonna take a look at the next item that's in here, which this is an exclusive. So this item is not in our regular catalog. And this is an essential oil roller. I'm gonna try to get the little bag open here. There we go, nice and sealed in there. So this is our new Copa Calm blend, and this is a special blend of essential oils that helps to alleviate stress. It helps to calm your nervous system. It just helps you to feel more peaceful and calm overall. I've been loving this blend. I've had a lot on my plate lately, and this has been my go-to product. I've been using the spray as my deodorant and my all-over body spray and perfume. I've been using the hand and body lotion with magnesium for my nighttime lotion after I shower, and now I'm gonna have this roller ball application, and this comes with the metal roller ball. So you just roll that on, and the essential oils and the grapeseed oil base are all going to be right there. And the other thing you can do is then either put it in your palms and rub your palms together, or anywhere that's thin-skinned like your wrists or the back of your ears, down the sides of your neck. And you can just breathe that blend in, which smells so good. So that is a really fun exclusive product that's in the box now. And then the final item, this is kind of an extra perk. So only the Green by 15 earners this month are getting a full-size product. This is kind of an extra bonus for us this month. What's going to come in the box for anyone else who's ordering it starting March 1st is going to be the same product, but in our little mini travel size here. So it'll be this size product, but this will be the product that you get. And it is our Balanced Bliss, which is our age-defying serum. I love this product. It's a creamy, light moisturizer with tons of boosted anti-aging properties. I love to use this as my primer for my makeup in the morning. So I usually put this on after I've cleansed my face in the morning and applied my toner mist. Then I'll use my Balanced Bliss age-defying serum as my primer before I put on my Jordan Essentials Tinted Moisturizer or BB Foundation. So this has natural silica elastomers, grapeseed, and natural green tea. So lots of great benefits for our skin, and like I said, it's a great primer for my makeup. So the box that I got is actually valued at $90, which is just like I said, an extra bonus for the people who are Jordan Essentials consultants and earned Green by 15 this month. Everyone else who gets their March Joyful Jordan box is a regular customer, whether you just order it once to get a great deal on these products, or you sign up for the subscription, or you already have an ongoing subscription, you're going to get the little travel size buddy. And either way, it's still a great value, because then the box is valued at $50. So at $29 to get the box, a $50 value, it's a really great collection of products, and you're gonna have something exclusive like the Magnesium Copacalm Roll-On, and just a great way to pamper yourself and kind of refresh and get ready for the springtime that's coming up. So that is everything that came in the March Joyful Jordan box for 2024. I will have my link in the description down below if you want to shop using my special consultant link, or if you have any questions about the products of the company. I'm always happy to answer questions. And don't forget, you can join my team. I love this business because I get to work my Jordan Essentials business around my busy family life, and it works however I want it to work. So that's a really good benefit. Plus there's really good friendships and support with the company. And it's a great job where it's not just me out there on my own figuring it out, but I've got lots of people I can lean on and get support from as well, which is really important. So thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below if you're enjoying these Joyful Jordan unboxing videos. Stay tuned. I'll be back with another video soon. And other than that, have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.